Have you ever seen a 3D printed object where that machine digitally prints something in plastic? What about the largest 3D printed home right here on Long Island with SQ4D and the Handsome Home Buyer? So right now we're standing on the outside of this house. It was 3D printed from the ground all the way up. The slab, the footings, everything was poured concrete. Let's go take a look at the inside. As soon as you walk into the house, you're drawn to the bead pattern that's all the walls throughout this entire property. And this is not stucco. This is actually line by line, the house being built. One of the main questions asked at these houses are, how do they run the electrical outlets and the plumbing? So these lines are actually ran before the slab is poured. All the conduit and the plumbing is in the slab and came up exactly where the outlet is going to be located. So these floors here are actually polished concrete. So just like in Florida, where so many houses are built out of brick and concrete to make sure that they could sustain the hurricane, these houses are made of concrete and are brick shit houses and never coming down. So some of the main questions asked are, can you put sheetrock in? Can you do tile work in the bathrooms? Can you put wood floors down? And the answer is yes. You can do anything you would to a normal house inside this house. You want to put wood floors, laminate down? Absolutely. You want to tile a bathroom? Bam, there it is. You have it. Why are people saying this is the new way houses are going to be built? Let's be real. It's quicker, it's cheaper, and this house can withstand 10 times longer than your original stick frame build.